Saint of the day, Saint Matthew the Apostle. Little is known about Saint Matthew except that he was the son of Alphaeus and he was likely born in Galilee. He worked as a tax collector, which was a hated profession during the time of Christ. According to the Gospel, Matthew was working at the collection booth in Capernaum when Christ came to him and asked, "Follow me." With this simple call, Matthew became a disciple of Christ. From Matthew, we know of the many doings of Christ and message Christ spread of salvation for all people who come to God through him. The Gospel account of Matthew tells the same story as that found in other three Gospels, so scholars are certain of its authenticity. His book is the first of the four Gospels in the New Testament. Many years following the death of Christ, around 41 and 50 AD, Matthew wrote his Gospel account. He wrote the book in Aramaic in the hope that his account would convince his fellow people that Jesus was the Messiah and that his kingdom had been fulfilled in a spiritual way. It was an important message at a time when almost everyone was expecting the return of militant Messiah brandishing a sword. It is thought he departed for other lands to escape persecution sometime after 42 AD. According to various legends, he fled to Parthia and Persia or Ethiopia. Nothing is recorded of Matthew's passing. We do not know how he died, if his death was natural or he was martyred. Saint Matthew is often depicted with one of the four living creatures of Revelation chapter 4 verses 7, which reads, "The first living creature was like a lion, the second like bull, the third living creature had a human face, and fourth living creature was like a flying eagle." Matthew was a tax collector and is therefore the patron saint of bankers. The church established Saint Matthew's feast day as September 21st.